Is your business ready for a customer relationship management platform? Hi, I'm Kathleen Lawson. I'm a business strategist, and I help solo professionals and small business owners execute on the vision that they have for their business. When I'm working with clients on streamlining their business, it's not uncommon for me to guide them through some decisions around a customer relationship management platform. I myself have used Dubsado for several years, and I want to tell you about 3 benefits. Number 1, the proposal and contract templates. If you send proposals to your clients, these will change your business. They will save you time and they will save you a lot of mental stress. Number 2, these platforms pull together features that will eliminate the need for a lot of other platforms like e-signing or invoicing or even appointment scheduling. And third, automations. Imagine having your client accept your proposal, sign your contract, pay your invoice, receive your welcome email, and even fill out an intake form, all from you pressing one button. If you'd like to learn more about my experience with Dubsado, check out my blog this week.